this quick video, I'm going to show you how to replace the RAM on your Macbook. I'm going to turn your MacBook over and you'll remove the 10 screws. They're very small screws except for the 3 longer screws that are in the back. Once you get the screws out, simply lift the bottom cover off. Here's your battery in case you need to replace that unit. Your hard drive if you're doing a hard drive upgrade, and here are your memory modules. There's 2 clips, one on each side. Pull the clips, the memory comes up, you slide it out, and there's more clips down there. You'll have to do both the bottom and top clips for this memory. We'll take our new memory upgrade. We'll slide it into the slot. Press it down. Press it down, and then reinstall the screws, and we're good to go.